Is your 2023 Kia Telluride's key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. The fix is simple and takes just a few minutes. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, available for under $5 at most stores or online, a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver, and gloves are optional. First, locate the small release button or notch on your key fob. Use the pry tool or screwdriver to gently open the fob case along the seam. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working. Finally, carefully snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock your vehicle. If it works, you're all set. If the remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, ensure the battery is correctly installed and is new or fully charged. The most common issues are almost always battery related. Holding the fob near the door sensor might work intermittently if the battery is weak. While DIY replacement won't void your Kia's warranty, avoid using metal tools aggressively to prevent damage that could affect a warranty claim. In rare cases, a faulty battery clip or water damage could be the issue, requiring professional repair. Consider future trends. While rechargeable key fobs and recyclable batteries are on the horizon, manual battery replacements will likely remain a cost-effective solution for the foreseeable future. Buying OEM batteries may avoid counterfeits and improve longevity. Check your key fob's battery annually to prevent unexpected failures.